Welcome to DigiBuddy. Today, we're gonna learn how to create a custom LinkedIn profile URL. First of all, click here on Me. Now, click on View Profile. Once you open your profile, click here on Edit Public Profile and URL. With your page open, you will see here Edit your custom URL. Personalize the URL for your profile. Now, you just click here at this pencil, and now you can change your profile URL. Please note that your custom URL must contain 3 to 100 letters or numbers, and you can use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So I just remove this O because I don't like it, and go here in Save. I didn't have any problems on updating your URL, but maybe you can put a URL that already exists. In this case, just keep changing things until you find a URL that it wasn't used. Editing your custom URL helps your propagation process and make it easier to people to find you. If the video helped you, leave a like, and if you like the content, subscribe. Bye!